Oh, look at that. Here we go. Say peace, everybody. All right. That looks great.
Hello, I'm Bob Briley. We just had a great event today. We just set a world record that's going to be in the Guinness World Record book. And we did it with the first Wicki Wacki water chair, which is manufactured in Charleston, and it's something I put together about 9 months ago, and this is our first event, and it's really gone great. And we're just very happy with the turnout. We had 68 people on the chairs, and we pulled them about a quarter of a mile, and we only had one chair that came apart, which is great, but not in the pull before. So we're just pleased that it turned out the way it did. And please go to your nearest Wicki Wacki water chair website and purchase them, and maybe we can have some more events in other parts. And the website is www.water-chair.net. That's water-chair.net. And as I said, they're manufactured in Charleston, and we'd like to hear from each and every one of you. Thank you.